Hello and welcome to Embedded Room, a place where we learn about embedded system technologies. In this video, I will present what it could be a minimum hardware setup that you could have for a very good price. So if you are at the beginning or not, or you want to have a very cheap solution but at the same time quite strong, I suggest to you to start with an ARM Cortex M3 family microcontrollers. So for this one, we will jump and say like this. We choose the STM32F1 M3 family with this controller. You can buy this for a very good price, a very affordable. It's popular and minimalistic development board which uses this microcontroller. It's called Blue Pill board. You can buy it online. So after this, you need to obtain the electrical schematic and the pinout of the board. Then you need the reference manual of the controller from here. Yes. So this is the reference manual. So this reference manual is addressed to the application developers, what provides a complete information on how to use the STM32 families. So it contains very vital information for you if you want to start and know a little bit more about this microcontroller. Then you need to get the datasheet of the controller from this link also. So this is very important for you because it gives you an overview of what the microcontroller has, and so other hardware features provided by the manufacturer. Then it is very useful to have the programming manual of the controller from this link. So this manual provides information for the application system level software developers. It gives a full description of the STM32 processor programming model, instruction set and core peripherals. So it is useful also to read this one, and it offers a significant benefits to developers, including these points. So I highly suggest you to check this one also. Okay. So this is the Blue Pill board pinout, which I suggest you to check. Then this is the Blue Pill board schematic, which is also important for you to take a closer look here. Then I suggest you to use this ST-Link V2 hardware programmer and debugger. This will be used in our let's say course. And an USART USB dongle. During the lecture, we will use the USART USB dongle to test some implementation of the USART configuration later on. So this is very also useful to have. So basically, while developing the drivers, we need some tests for the implementations that we are running on the actual hardware. Of course, these are not mandatory at the beginning, but they will be nice to have later on. For this, we will use the various devices: ADC, I2C, SPI, PWM, and input capture. features. This was just a walkthrough to the hardware components that needs to be considered before start to actually work. We will get in more details later on when we will implement these drivers and to see how we can reset some registers, how we can configure the clock and so on, and we will get for sure in more details in the coming videos. Thank you very much. Bye.